Okay, let's check the control part, and here is a power switch. Okay, turn right to switch on the power. This one is automatically start bottom. Okay, press this one, the machine will start automatically, and this one is emergency button. Once you press it, the machine will be stopped immediately. Okay, and this is the main page. Okay, let's go to English. Let's go to English, and this is the control page. This is the menu. Okay, this is under manual state, and after you press this one, so this one is on auto, is on the auto mode. Okay, so under auto mode, then press start, the machine will be started. Okay, and this is a pause, which means to stop the machine during automation. Okay, this is stop pause the machine. Okay, and let's quit the automatic mode. This is under manual mode. Okay, then this is counting for how many bags have been filled or have been produced. Okay, this is a quantity for your plan. Okay, how many bottles you want to produce, and let's go to menu page. Okay, for menu page, are those function for adjust the machine for each action. Okay, this one is push, which means is after you insert the bag, the pusher will push the bag to the position. Okay, to the position. Okay, and the move cylinder is this one. It's this one. This one will move. Okay, this one will move left and right. Okay, so the pusher will push the bag to the position holder, and then the move function will move this one to there for filling. Okay, and this one is limit cylinder is this one will move out for the bag to be able to put in. Okay, let's check. Okay, limit cylinder, this one. Okay, this one you can check. Okay, move out, limit cylinder move out. Okay, then this one move out, then the pusher push the bag. The pusher push the bag to there. Okay, the pusher push the bag to there. Okay, so this one push. Okay, after press this one, it will push the bag to the holder. Okay, to the holder, and after that you press move. Okay, move to here, and this one move to there. Move to there for filling. Okay, so those are functions. Okay. Okay, push to send the bag, move to move the bag for filling, limit to send the holder out. Okay, and this is filling lifting. Okay, filling lifting, this one. Okay, go down for filling. Okay, filling lifting. Then piston pump is filling one, filling nozzle 1, or filling nozzle 1, filling nozzle 2. Okay, once you press it, will start filling. So I'll not press now because it will do the filling. And feeding pump, which means it will do the automatically. It will feed the materials into the hopper. Okay, once you press this one, it will do the feeding. Okay, and the server cylinder is this one. this one to move down, okay, to move down, and this 2 is to move down again, okay, move down again. So this one is move position to the position, and the cylinder 1 is move down during capping, okay. This one is lifting to the correct position, and this one is move down during capping, okay. So that's different. Servo cylinder 1 and servo cylinder 2 is different, okay. Climb cylinder 1 and climb cylinder 2 is to climb up the robo hand, okay. Climb up the robo hand. Let's check. Okay, climb up. Okay. Okay, it's climb up the roboto hand, and server is capping. Okay, server motor will rotate. Okay, so this is capping. Okay, server motor 1, server motor 2 is capping 1, capping 2. Okay, this is a function on menu page. Then the parameter. Okay, parameter. Servo motor speed is the turning speed of the rubber hand. Okay, so we can set, I say the turning speed we can set to the same with number 2. We set to 100. Okay, then enter. Okay, set to, and the torture. Okay, the torture force you can set the force of the rubber hand. Okay, to stop at this force. Okay, so I'll adjust to 140. So at this torture, the capping will be stopped at this force. Okay, so if the number is smaller, which means the force of the capping is smaller, until reach to the force, it will stop the capping. It will stop the capping. Okay, and this one, rotation time is related to the force. Okay, let's say if we do the capping and it cannot reach to the 140 force, it will only rotate at the most 10 seconds. It will be stopped. Okay, so this is at the most maximum capping time. So you can set this time. Okay, if the capping will never reach to this torture, it will just run the maximum capping time as what you're setting here. Okay. Okay. This one, after you do any change here, you have to write in your settings. So just press this one. Okay. So write completed, which means the settings have been entered to the controller. Okay. And delay start. What's the delay start? Which means after you press auto, it's under the automatically state. Okay, under automatic state, it will be wait for 0.5 seconds for you to be able to press start. Okay. Okay. So once you press automatic mode, it will wait for 0.5 seconds for you to be able to press auto. Okay. And the rotation time I have explained a while ago. And no fade count 3 times, which means the pusher push to here, but this sensor not sense any back. Okay, then it will go back to again to bring back to bring back from there to here. And the second time, if it's still not the sensor still not sense any bags, it will go back again to get the bag. And the third time, if the sensor still not test the bag, the machine will be stopped. The machine will be stopped. So this is how many times. This is how many times the pusher will go back to get the bag. Okay. So how many times? 1, 2, 3, and come back. If still not get the bag, the machine will be stopped. Okay. So you can set more numbers or small numbers. Let's say if I set 2, it will just go back to get back 2 times. Okay, get back 2 times. So if you set more, it will go back to get more times. Okay. Liquid level delay is a tester. There is sensor. Okay, there is sensor. There is a sensor to test the level in hopper. Okay, sensor to test the level in hopper. Okay, so once the level lower than your setting, it will wait for 1 second. It will wait for 1 second, then it will start automatically feeding. Okay, that's why we need to wait for 1 second, because maybe the level is waving. Okay, so we need to let the materials level lower than your settings, more than 1 second, it will start do the auto feeding. Okay. Okay, for the pushing time is in the beginning. Okay, in the beginning, for how long time the bags will be pushed into the position. Okay, so in the beginning, it's the start place to push how many seconds into the position. So that's the max time you set. If the bag is not in the position, its machine will be stopped. So this is maximum. Okay, this is maximum. This is maximum time you should set for the pushing. Anyway, this is only function at the first time to send the bag, because in the beginning there's no bag. Okay, in the beginning there's no bag having sent to here. Once you insert the bag, it will be pushed from there to here. So this time the push time should be longer than you push the bag from there to here. Okay, so that's it. And this one is our alarming. If there's any alarm, it will show there. And this one is monitoring page for input and output. Okay, that's it. Thank you.